Hi guys, it's Kim and Paprika here, and we're in the gorgeous Goularoo Gorge in the south of France. It's going to be a bit different tonight. We're going to be cooking on the open campfire, and I've got my friends with me. Hi guys! Okay guys, I'm going to introduce you to my friends. First up we've got
Mustard Mike, Thomas Sauce,
and Spicy G.
and also little fluff ball Ginger Spice. Hi Lottie! So we're going all natural tonight, and we've been cooking on just plain embers, nothing else, all natural, back to nature, fantastic. So here's something we prepared earlier using this amazing grill we picked up at the Kari 4. We don't have plates, so we're just going to put them into these cups. Fantastic, you know, use what you've got around you in nature. Yeah, good. What's that you've got there, mixed mustard?
We've got the Cup-a-soss, c'est bon, as they say in the region.
Yes, well done. What are you guys doing there, Thomas Sauce and Spicy G?
Spicy G is just loaded up in a rack. What we're doing is you close the rack with this clever little device
Loaded
here.
up with veggie sauce.
Wow,
And,
look at that.
we'll keep the vegetarians happy.
Wow, wow, wow. What are you doing there?
I'm just bearing out a little hole. What will go? Sausage will go in there, and actually
Sausage
My,
goes in there.
followed by my namesake, Thomas Sauce.
Thomas.
on top.
Yeah, well done. Oh!
Danger Mike.
Don't be silly, God. We've run out of wood a bit, so I'm just chopping this up because we need it. Ah, well done. Let's put this over here. Let the fire hot, yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm just, again, I'm about rolling it. We've broken it in half now, so now it's going to be a sandwich. Pop that in there. I'm just going to do one for now. Sauce meat.
Here it is, here it is.
Yep, there we go. And there you Georgie, Spicy G, you don't want... Guys, what's happening?
Gotta get the vitamin good.
Love my greens.
What's that full thing? And we've got the dishwasher here. Nice.
Doing a good job, Ginger Spice.
Well done. Oh. Blow on the fire.
Completely forgotten how.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Can
Mixed
boy.
mustard
Can
for the
boy.
win. Guys, it's been really great having you here as we're camping. I hope you enjoyed the recipe on how to cook saucy song. We've now got a bit of Nutella crepe. When in France. Thomas Sauce, what are you doing there?
I'm just going for my dessert before my dessert.
Crepe un marshmallow.
Bang!
Yay! Hi guys, thanks so much for joining me on this week's episode of Cooking with Cumin. I've really enjoyed having you on this journey in the wonderful outdoors. We're really going to pump up the fire now, so you have a good night. Bye!